Even though it's not a really big crowd tonight, it's nice and quiet. Thank you all for coming. So this is our August meeting of the San Diego Java Users Group. I'm Paul Weber. And thanks for those who volunteered to help out at the door. It was kind of a mad rush when some of the normal people who helped me out weren't able to make it tonight. So appreciate your help. And now that you guys have done it once, I look forward to your service in the future. And there are perks. Okay. So if you would like to silence your cell phones, put them on vibrate. I'll apologize right now. My cell phone is still to make noise, and that is in case somebody needs to be let into the building. And I do think my phone number is on the front door. All right, and the Wi-Fi password is now no snoring 3.0. Okay, let's see. Does that work? No. There we go. Okay, a very simple lineup tonight. Heather is speaking about the Java community process. And a little bit of Q&A, and then she'll wrap it up with some of the, I guess
Participation.
Participation,
Yeah.
Okay.
Or your action items. You could call them your action items.
Our action items. Well, we have an announcement to make tonight too, for those who are present. More to come on that in a moment. New people, is there anybody who hasn't been to one of these meetings? Wow, okay. So, yeah, our mission statement. Why do we come here? I don't have to do it. Oh, there's a new guy. Thank you. We're just going over why did you come tonight?
Why did I come tonight?
Yeah.
Well, of course, to reconvene with the Java community. Of course, we're becoming a very powerful underground operation.
And have the pizza for taking the networking and see what's happening around in San Diego. Thank you very much for coming and for letting me pick on you as you walk in the door. Welcome. Lively crowd tonight. Now, if you haven't signed up at Meetup, that's really the place to sign up at. That's where the notices go out. Facebook and LinkedIn also try to put out the notices, but it seems to get less traffic. We just crossed over recently the 500 member mark on Meetup, which is good. I think we're around 517 as of today, which is excellent. Where are they? But thank you all for showing up. And if you do the RSVP on the Meetup, it's good. That's how I know what to order on the pizza side. That's the pizza count, basically. And if you decide not to come, remember that RSVP. It's okay. Announcements. This is where I say a word from our sponsor. So,
Sure.
Sierra, I've actually got a couple slides here for you.
Oh, do I come up? Okay.
Come on
All right.
up.
It's official. I like it. I forgot my glasses, so I'm sure I can't see you guys. But yeah, I work with Seva. I'm one of our senior recruiting managers. I grew up in San Diego. I've been doing technical recruiting here locally for the last 6 years. And I focus really heavily on Java, .NET development, and DevOps. My intention in being present here is just really to understand this community and make genuine connections with people so you know who I am and I can support your search or your life in general, and I know what matters to you. So we work on all different types of roles. We're really heavy, I would say, like full stack Java right now for some reason, and then Spring Boot seems to be like very, very important recently. But yeah, if you have honestly more detailed questions, be happy to have a conversation with you, and really appreciate you welcoming me into your community.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for the pizza tonight. All right, another guy. Okay, announcements. Looking for speakers. I'm always looking for speakers. Sometimes we have an abundance of speakers, and Heather and I actually coordinated many months ago. I think at the beginning.
I was originally going to come in December, but I was not feeling well, and I told you I couldn't make it. But I mean, like, a few weeks in advance. It wasn't even announced yet, but yes.
Okay.
It's been a while, but we've been trying to work this out.
And in September, we may actually have 2 meetings. Now, the thing about September, and you'll be the first to know, September 17th, our normal third Tuesday meeting, I will be at Oracle Code 1. So we get to see how well I've trained you guys for opening doors and getting up elevators and eating pizza and doing the raffle. Hopefully I'll have a ResNet Insider again. That will make it useful and easier. And then we'll have another meetup the following Tuesday. So more to come on that as far as the abstracts. So the fourth Tuesday meeting is because a visitor coming in on performance engineering. So you're going to be in town on this night. So okay, yeah, make that happen. All right. Let's see. What else? So looking for work. This is the fun part too. Is anybody looking for work? Wow. Okay. So start in the very back. Go ahead. Yeah.
So yes, I am still in school right now. Well, first of all, my name is Bronco. For those of you who don't remember, yes, that's my actual name. It's not. It sounds like the horse, but it's spelled like a Croatian style, B-R-A-N-K-O. And so anyway, I'm a rising senior at the University of San Diego. Java is my best overall language. I've had internship experience with Java and Java FX and other different forms of different experiences with Java overall. And I'm not looking for anything in particular, I'm not looking for any specific line of work in Java right now. I'm still looking for trying to find my niche with regards to programming, but I'm still eager to do whatever kind of work, whatever kind of help, whether it's with a side project maybe you guys are working on, or whether it's an internship opportunity. I'm open to that.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Bronco. Okay.
Hi, my name is Ernst Khan. I'm a senior software engineer specializing in Java technology, Spring Boot, lots of backend stuff. My last gig, I was the lead software engineer for the studio that developed iOS and Android, along with the platform as a service on AWS for sports teams. So because of me, the Portland Trailblazers, the Miami Dolphins, soccer teams, the LAFC and New York Red Bulls got real-time live scores during live games faster than ESPN.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now, working our way over here.
My name's Ryan. This is actually my second time here. My first time was in June. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it for July. But I am an aspiring software developer. I don't have any work experience in Java, but I did have an internship with using other languages. I'm experienced working in a group, and I'm just looking for any opportunity right now.
Okay, cool, good. Thank you for coming and sharing. Oh, well, okay, we'll start back, sorry.
Hi, my name is Sherman. I'm also a Java developer. I have fairly extensive full stack experience. Enjoy working back-end though. A lot of work with JAX-RS and some of the other JEE specifications. A lot of form work for JPA as well. I feel pretty comfortable designing new components on the server. And I definitely have a sort of big picture sort of conception for coming up with new components and how to design them and integrate them for future scheduling. That's about it. I'm always eager to learn something new, cloud or otherwise. Yeah, that's it.
Great, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy. I'm primarily a front-end software developer, a student. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery is what I have most experience in. I also have experience in graphic design, but I want to become a full-stack developer. So I'm here to learn more about Java, just doing Java stuff on my own, but looking forward to learning as much as I can about it.
Okay, great, thank you. So it sounds like we got entry level, basically, and very experienced level, rock hardened with sports teams. Now, the other half of the equation is, are there any hiring managers here tonight? So, Sarah, are you?
Oh.
You guys?
I mean, absolutely. The roles that I'm working on are like pretty specific, so we're really happy to connect with any of you guys and talk about them in more in depth and see where there's alignment or just create a relationship.
please check out the ResMed website. We have the employee channel there to, take a look at jobs, and if you find something that you're interested in and you fill out the form, just let them know you heard about it through the SD jug, or mention my name. Somebody will probably ask me about you. Bob, do you know if we have any openings for junior through senior level Java developers?
Not in San Diego right now,
Okay.
that I know.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I think we have a couple of people who went to Dublin, but that's a little far out. All right. And also, it's an opportunity for the people who are, in the school looking, or they're just starting out. You just heard from a couple of experienced developers. During the break sometime, chat it up with them and get their opinion or viewpoints on some of your questions. All right, I do get an announcement about the Kotlin meetup. It's kind of our sister, meetup group here. So Kotlin's kind of dialect of Java, somewhere in there. And it does meet on the first Wednesday of each month. Oracle Code 1. Is anybody else going to Oracle Code 1? Besides Heather and myself?
Oh, yes.
All right, okay, so we've got something to talk about when October comes. Is there anything else in the San Diego area? Now that Comic-Con is gone, it's like, okay, we're all done for the rest of the year, right? Yeah. So, no other events anybody knows about? Okay. All right. So, Heather, I'm sure, she leads the community process and stuff. And I guess do you have a slide on yourself?
I do.
Yeah, okay, so we'll just buzz through this one. Yeah, and then, of course, ResMed, we're very happy that they provide us the room and the facilities. People, let us do the stuff we do. And thank you again to the volunteers who helped out at the front gate. And there it is.